Is how to download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader on Windows 11 and Windows 10 through Windows Store, Microsoft Store. Launch your browser and type download Adobe Acrobat Reader, Windows Store, and choose first result Adobe Acrobat Reader from Microsoft Apps. Click on it, and under Microsoft Store you will find it. Click on install button. It will bring you Microsoft Store, and here click on install. Let the window complete the first. It will downloading. Total 422.9 MB of a storage space. Once downloading completed, it will installing, and once installation finish, you will receive message installed.